Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, if you want to build a professional website without hiring a developer, in today's video, I'm going to teach you and show you how to do it in just few minutes using ZenBusiness Website Builder. So, first, you may want to head over to zenbusiness.com, and from this page, you may want to start by logging into an account. Just click on the login link or button, and from here, just enter in your email address and password to log into your account, but you can also log in using these platforms. But if you're new to Zen Business and if you don't have an existing account, you can just go back to their main page. And from here, just click on the Get Started button. And from here, you can start creating an account by first entering your business name and selecting your state. And from here, just proceed by clicking on the continue button and follow the on screen prompts. Fill in the details that is being asked, then proceed by logging into your account. So once you're logged into your account, the first thing you may want to do is first visit your control panel. You may want to proceed by checking out some free themes. WordPress offers 1,000 free themes for users, ideal for newcomers who don't have a budget to spend. To comb through their assortment, in the left panel, just click on Appearance, then Themes on the sidebar. The next thing you may want to do is start creating a website logo. When you publish a blog or website, your project usually needs a logo to go with it. You can use Photoshop to design your logo if you're familiar with the software. But if you want to use a more user friendly program, you can use a free online logo creator like ZenBusiness. So from here, just start typing in your blog or website's name and then choose the field you're in from the drop down menu. Zen Business will automatically produce potential logos for you to choose from. When you find a suitable logo, download it as is or alter it directly online. You can then save your logo in JPG, SVG, or PNG format. Next is settings and personalization. For a website to be successful, page titles are important. By viewing the page title, a visitor should be able to determine what type of content you're producing. So, in the general settings page, you may want to modify your site title, also the tagline, your WordPress address to make sure it's correct, site address, your email address, and membership. You can also modify new user default rule, time zone, and date format. You can also prevent users from leaving comments on posts and articles by heading over to discussion settings. You can just uncheck the setting that says allow people to post comments on new articles. And lastly is creating a static front page. Those who visit your blog will notice the most recent posts on your homepage. On posts page, this will serve as your blog's main page and the front page is your site's homepage. So once everything is done and set, you can just proceed by clicking on Save Changes. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!